Hello, this is Shar from The Real Kitchen for Real People. I trust that everyone is doing well and staying safe. Today's video is going to feature recipes that I've already listed on my channel, but this is in preparation of the Thanksgiving holiday that's coming up and Christmas. So you can use the links below to, kind of get started on your meals. It makes your holiday a lot less stressful, believe me. So as you can see here, I've already started my Thanksgiving dressing. So I've mixed together all of my dry ingredients with my vegetables, and I'm going to put them in the freezer. That way when Thanksgiving comes, all I have to do is add my liquids and maybe a touch up of different seasonings. But you're gonna find this recipe on the dressing cornbread, homemade cornbread dressing. Part 1 is the preparation of it, and then the part 2 is the finishing touch. So I will link that below this video, and hope you try it. I know you will not be disappointed in it. And also I will list some other things that you can prepare in advance. And these are just steps that I've learned, because I used to just stress out, get up early on Thanksgiving morning and start cooking and just be so tired by the time your guests arrive. You can't even enjoy the company or your meal. So I've learned to prepare ahead of time. Items that you can prepare, do prepare ahead of time. So I trust that everyone will have a safe holiday that's coming up, and your Christmas holidays that's coming up, and your New Year's holidays coming up. But you can use these recipes for any time and have them already prepared in your freezer. So when that taste bud hits you, you can go to the freezer and start finishing up your recipe. So without further ado, I hope you prepare in advance so that you can be stress-free on the holiday gatherings. Until later, love, love.